Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Roku remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for your TCL Roku TV, but what happens when the original remote goes missing or stops working? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of replacement remotes, specifically for your TCL Roku TV. We'll explore the features, compatibility, and overall value to help you find the perfect replacement that gets you back to streaming your favorite shows and movies without any hassle. Number 5. Loutoc Universal Remote for Roku TV. This is the Loutoc Universal Remote, designed specifically for Roku TVs. It's a perfect replacement for your old or damaged remote, offering a simple and effective solution. Please note, this remote is only compatible with Roku TVs. It will not work with Roku streaming sticks, boxes, or players. Make sure your TV is a Roku TV before purchasing. Enjoy an improved experience with a greater transmitting distance of over 25 feet. The buttons respond quickly, and are tested for durability. The remote includes shortcut buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, P-Video, and Hulu. This makes it easy to jump straight to your favorite content. Using this remote is incredibly easy. No programming or setup is required. Simply insert two AAA batteries, and it's ready to use. Batteries are not included. Made from high-quality ABS plastic and silicone, this remote is comfortable to hold and built to last. The buttons are soft and responsive, providing a great user experience. What we like. This remote is designed specifically for Roku TVs, offering a seamless experience. It boasts an extended transmitting range and quick response times, ensuring smooth control from anywhere in the room. If you're looking for a simple, reliable replacement for your Roku TV, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This remote control replaces the original with no setup to match it to my 42 TCL Roku flat screen. Put the batteries in and you're all set. It works very well just like the original, same everything, button size and functions. This replacement Roku TV remote works exactly as expected. All the buttons respond quickly, the dedicated streaming shortcuts are convenient, and setup was effortless, no pairing issues at all. Number 4. Replacement remote for Roku Express Premier Box Player. Tired of your old Roku remote? This is a replacement remote, designed to work with your Roku Express, Premier, Box, and Player. It's a simple solution to get you back to streaming. Please note this remote does not work with Roku Stick or Roku TVs. It also lacks volume control, a power button, a headphone jack, a pairing button, and voice search. Make sure this is the right remote for your device. This remote is specifically designed for Roku Box, Express, Player, Premier, and Roku 1, 2, 3, and 4 models. It's a direct replacement for your existing remote, offering a seamless experience. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming channels. This remote features 4 shortcut buttons for Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney+. It makes navigating your streaming services easier than ever. No programming is needed. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to go. The remote offers a long transmission distance, responding quickly to your commands. You'll receive 2 remotes and a user manual. This ensures you have a spare or can share with another user. It's a convenient and practical solution for your Roku entertainment. What we like. This remote is a great option if you have an older Roku device. It's an IR remote, which means it doesn't require pairing, and it comes in a convenient 2-pack. If you need a simple, no-frills remote for your Roku Box or Express, this is the one for you. What people say. It works very well, setup same as original, all button work. Work great, connects easily. Was actually surprised that this cheap remote actually worked. I had low expectations but was pleasantly surprised it actually works well, really no setup, just works. Number 3. Roku Voice Remote, Official. Introducing the Roku Voice Remote, the perfect companion for your Roku TV, player, or stream bar. This remote puts you in control with ease, making your entertainment experience seamless. It's compatible with all Roku TV brands, including TCL, Hisense, and Sharp. This means you can easily replace or upgrade your existing remote and enjoy all the features this one offers. This remote works with a wide range of Roku devices, such as Roku Express, Streaming Stick, Premier, and Ultra. It's designed to enhance your viewing experience across the board. No more juggling remotes. This enhanced voice remote has convenient side buttons for TV power, volume, and mute control. It simplifies your setup and makes everything easier to manage. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming channels with the preset shortcut buttons. With just a press, you can jump right into your entertainment. It's that simple. For Roku TV users, use your voice to launch channels, search for entertainment, and more. This remote makes it easy to find what you want, when you want it. Roku Player and Streambar users can use the microphone button to search with your voice. It also includes power, volume, and mute buttons for your TV. What we like. This is the official Roku voice remote, offering the convenience of voice control and TV power volume buttons. It's compatible with a wide range of Roku devices. If you like the convenience of voice commands and want to control your TV with one remote, this is the perfect upgrade. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my TCL Roku TV. It was easy to pair and use. The buttons are well placed and easy to press. Number 2. Replacement remote for TCL Roku Hisense on Sharp Philips TVs. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This universal remote is designed to work seamlessly with your Roku TCL, Hisense, on, Sharp, and Philips TVs. It simplifies your entertainment experience. Forget complicated setups. This replacement remote is ready to go right out of the box. Simply insert batteries and it's ready to control your TV. Experience quick and responsive control. The remote has a fast transmission and response time, ensuring you get instant results. The buttons are tested for long-lasting use. Enjoy instant access to your favorite streaming services. It includes dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and Prime Video, making it easier to jump into your favorite shows. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us directly. We will respond within 12 hours during the work week. What we like. This remote is a direct replacement for TCL Roku TVs, with no setup required. It features shortcut buttons for popular streaming services and a quick response time. If you want a simple, easy-to-use remote with quick access to your favorite channels, this is a great choice. What people say. Works perfectly with my TCL Roku TV. The remote is exactly what I needed and works great. It was easy to pair with the TV. Number 1. Universal remote for TCL, Hisense, etc. Do you have a pile of remotes cluttering your coffee table? This universal remote is the solution. It replaces remotes for many TV brands. This single remote works with TCL, Hisense, on, Philips, Sharp, and more. It simplifies your entertainment setup. You can control your TV with ease. It is compatible with many models. You can find your TV model in a list. This remote is designed to work seamlessly with your TV. Setting up this remote is a breeze. It's designed for ease of use. You'll be enjoying your favorite shows in no time. Simplify your life and reclaim your space. Get this universal remote and enjoy the convenience. Order yours now. What we like. This pack of 2 remotes offers broad compatibility with various TV brands and models. It's ready to use right out of the box, making setup a breeze. If you have multiple TVs or want a spare, this is a great value and a convenient option. What people say. If you need remotes that work with the TVs that they list, then these are a must-have. We could not believe that all we had to do was add batteries and the remote would work. It absolutely did as described. The buttons work like our previous remote. The functions on this remote work just like the original remote, which is a real pleasure. It does everything it's supposed to do, so if yours breaks, get these. This remote works great with my TCL Smart TV that has the inner programming of Netflix, Sling TV, Hulu, Vudu, and more. As soon as I place the battery in the remote, with a press of a button it instantly works smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.